Okay, bola ng undrafted ha. No good. Bad pass. Steal by Martin. Ako po, patay kayo. Lista mo na. Robert, 2 points. Kung maganda po yung ni Robert. 2-0 ha. No good, Reyes. Ay, sayang. Okay, 2 points, Kaisen. Jan. Oy, ang ganda ng pasa na yun. Oy, sayang. Pull up. Wala. Good, good. Hindi tumawag, ha? Hindi tumawag. Ken. Jason. No good. Oy, save ball. Team undrafted. Reyes. Reyes. 5. Okay, foul daw, foul. Bigay na. Novilia to Philip. Nice pass, Martin. No good, rebound by Philip again. Oy, sayang. GK, Reyes, no good. Okay. Okay, backward violation. Score 5-2 ha, 5-2. Bigay na po, bigay na. No good. Oh, 2 points, Novilia. Reyes. Ang ganda. GK. No good. Oh, sayang. Rebound by Robert. To Martin. Ang ganda. Pinwersa. Hindi nakuha. Sayang. Maliit na ka ng bola. No good. Rebound by Jason. Novilia. Philip, 2 points. 5-6. Labanan Team Robert. Reyes. No good. Ang lakas kumuha ng bola nun. Pero nagulangan ni Novilia. Ang pamatay. Oy, dito ang bola. Hindi natapay ka. Dito ha, nawala yung bola. Nawala. Wait lang, wait. Pre. Dito bola. Dito mawag ng foul eh, dito. Diretso yung takbo eh. Wait lang, labas muna. Hindi siya nakapitan. Okay, game. Diretso lang yung takbo ng bola. Okay, no good. Nice rebound by Jason. To Novilla. 2 points. 5-8. Pumoto kayo hanggang di pumuputok ng 3. Ang team undrafted. GK, no good. Kaysen, 2 points. 7-8. Robert to Jason. Nice. Robert. Novilla, 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay, good. 20 seconds. Wow! Unselfish. Hindi pa tinira na ipit tuloy. Okay lang. 1 minute 10 seconds. Bad pass. Yun lang. 1 minute 3 seconds. 3 points. GK. 10-8. Last 55 seconds. Robert, 2 points. Waping tira na. All 10 at 39 seconds. 3. Last 27 seconds. Last 21 seconds. No good. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3. 1.5 seconds. 1.5. Okay. Score. 13-12. Dito bola. Lamang pa na sa team undrafted. Wait lang, nainom lang sila. Okay, game. Jason to Robert. Patay kayo. Ang ganda. Robert. Sayang. Two points. Domsky. 12-15. Hindi ko po nakita at ako yung nag-ayos dito. Score 12-15. seconds. Hoy, steal! Nobilia, patay ka na. Lista mo na, Nobilia. 2 points. Tres ba? Tres? Paul muna. Okay. 14-15. No good by Domsky. Rebound by Jason. Set by Martin. Martin floater. Oy! Medyo malakas lang. Reyes. Oh! Walang puwersa yung bola. Reyes. Okay. Bola na niya, Robert. Parehong maalat ang voting, puro turnover. Nadali, wala pa rin. Rebound by Nobilia, pero may foul down. Score 14-15 pa rin. Natenga sa 15, ang team ang drafted. 4 minutes, 38 seconds, steal. Philip. Good, walang tawa. Okay, kapuwersa. Wala pa rin po talaga nakaka-score. Nobilia, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Casey. GK, 3 points. 14-18. 3 minutes, 53 seconds. Martin. Really, 2 points, 16-18. 3 minutes, 32 seconds, Reyes. GK, 3 points, 16-21. 5 ang hinahabol nyo, Jason. Nobilia. Ha? Palabasin nyo na. Ha? Boss, pa-surrender na yung base. Bigay mo doon. Bigay mo na doon. Hindi lang wala. Hindi, bigay mo na sa kanya para huwag po. Surrender mo na. Ayaw. 2 minutes, 45 seconds. Philip, 2 points, all 21. 2 minutes, 32 seconds. Up! Foul daw, foul. 2 minutes, 27 seconds. All 21. Okay, blocking foul. Philip. No good by Dom. Nakuha ni Nobilia. Nobilia. Ipapasa. Hindi diretso. Nobilia, 2 points. Lamang na sila ng dalawa. Bantayan nyo, 3-point shooter. Dalawa yan. Baka magsisi kayo. GK 3. 23-24. Lamang ng isa ang team undrafted. Martin. to Philip. Philip Capos. Nakakuha ni Robert. 12 seconds. Wow! Novilla. Wala. Rebound by Casey. 1 minute 18 seconds. GK. 3. 23-27. 1 minute 23 seconds. Both teams may dalawa pang timeout. Robert. Rebound by Dom. Last 56 seconds. Reyes. Oy! Line ball na daw. Line ball muna. Line ball. Bola nila, Robert. Last 50 seconds. Martin. Okay, foul. 2 free throws. Kung may foul, 2 free throws. 41.9 seconds. First shot, no good. Kahit isa. Okay, wait. One more pa. Free throw violation. Nag-free throw, gumagalaw kayo sa ilalim. Wala pong tumatawid. Okay. 24-27. 48 seconds. 34 seconds. 15 to shoot. Wow! Kala ko, shoot na. Steal by Casey. Wow! 24-29. 22 seconds. 3. 16 seconds. 16 seconds. 27-29. Sige, wala ka. Okay, ball down. Both teams may dalawa pang free throw. 15.8. Both teams ha, dalawa pa time out. Reyes, first shot. It's good. 27-30. Last shot. Naagawan. Ano po nangyari? Line violation na. Okay, palabas na lang po dito unless magta-time out kayo. Okay. 27-30. Cipriano, excuse na. 10 seconds ha, 10 seconds. Hindi ako natanggap ng intentional na pasabit ha. Hindi, nag-time out sila. Isa na yung time out. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. 1 meter ha, 1 meter, 1 meter. Layo lang po kayo, layo lang. Game! 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay! Sayang.